supposedly the rain is going to pick up and the lightning is going to get a lot worse. So I'm going to move my car, and also there was a decent bolt, and I don't know if you heard that or not. Probably can't hear over my friggin' fat guy heavy breathing. But I'm going to position my car as the very, whoa, that was close, the very nice mailman. So I'm going to position my car this way and look up at the sky and crack my windows a little bit because it's getting hot. Maybe look over here too, just so that I'm semi-safe in the event of a lightning strike. I'd love to have my GoPro mounted on top of the car looking around. But there's the mailman soldiering on. When the rain gets pretty bad, I'll probably roll my driver's window up, leave the passenger window down, just so you can hear. Hopefully you're seeing all this lightning, because it's one of the more lightning heavy storms I've seen in the last couple of years. It's not really a storm yet. I'm gonna roll the window up now, and I'll put the wipers on, intermittent. Seems to be a lot of lightning over in this direction. Rotate the car. I'm just resting the phone on my excuse me, my steering wheel, looking up. Ooh, that was a good one. I personally love thunderstorms. I find lightning very beautiful, as I guess many others do. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have a fair amount of rain coming in the left side, but not all that much over here. So I'm gonna roll my window down just a little bit so you can hear. almost wish we were a bit higher up. That was a nice one. I don't know if I got that or not. I hope so. That was awesome. There's the sound from that one. I just saw another one off to my left here. But let's not focus. There's the noise. Let's not focus on that one because lightning rarely strikes in the same place once. I know the second I turn this off, it's going to hit like right in front of my car. So I'm just going to keep rolling until I run out of memory. That was a nice one. I love the way you can almost hear it in the distance as it gets closer. Even though that's not how it works. But I will let this get to, I'm going to say 12 minutes if I don't run out of memory. That one's close. That was somewhere behind me. The lightning that was. I think, excuse me, I think I have enough memory for about, I'd say another 4 to 5 minutes. My windows are fogging up, so I'm gonna crack my passenger side window. That one was close, I think. Nah, not really. It was just exceptionally bright. And wow, the mailman is almost done. Oh, he is done. Nice guy. So this is getting to 12 minutes. It's 11 minutes and 34 seconds. So I am going to go ahead and shut this off. And barring some crazy tornadic activity or something, then this is all.